Hey there, food lovers. Today I've got a treat for you that's perfect for St. Patrick's Day or any cozy evening in, Beef and Guinness Stew. This recipe is packed with deep, complex flavors that'll make your taste buds do a happy jig. Let's jump right into it. First up, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 4 slices of bacon, 2.5 pounds of boneless beef chuck, 2 onions, 4 cloves of garlic, a can of Guinness, tomato paste, carrots, celery, fresh thyme, sugar, chicken stock, and some green onion mashed potatoes if you're feeling fancy. Got it? Cool. Start by cooking and stirring your bacon in a heavy skillet over medium-high heat until it's browned and crisp. Should take about 3 to 4 minutes. Then, turn off the heat and transfer that crispy goodness into a large stew pot. But don't you dare throw away the bacon fat, we're gonna need it. Next, season your beef chuck cubes generously with a teaspoon of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. Crank the heat to high under the skillet and sear those beef pieces in the hot bacon fat. You want a nice brown crust on both sides. Should take about 5 minutes. Once done, toss the beef into the stew pot with the bacon. Now, turn the heat down to medium on the skillet, and cook your chopped onions in that delicious bacon fat until they're lightly browned. Should be around 5 to 8 minutes. Don't forget to season with a pinch of salt. Add in your minced garlic and let it cook until soft, about a minute. Here comes the fun part. Pour in your can of Guinness. Use a wooden spoon to scrape up those browned bits from the bottom of the skillet. This is where the magic happens, folks. Add the tomato paste, carrots, celery, fresh thyme, a teaspoon of white sugar, and another half teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it all up and then pour everything into the stew pot. Finally, pour in enough chicken stock to cover the beef and veggies. Bring it to a simmer, cover, and let it cook on low heat for about 2 to 3 hours. Your kitchen is gonna smell amazing, trust me. Alright, your beef and Guinness stew is ready to be served. I like to plate mine with a nice ring of green onion mashed potatoes. It's not just a feast for your taste buds, but also for your eyes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. You can find the full recipe and backstory in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.